Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare the two giant retailers in the world and answer which one is the better stock to buy, Amazon versus Walmart. That's going to be an interesting comparison, so let's get right into it, starting with revenue growth. So let's compare these two on revenue, and you could see Walmart, worldwide leader in retail sales, $622 billion in sales in their most recent trailing 12 months, compared to $524 billion for Amazon. Amazon is catching up quickly, but Walmart is still ahead by nearly $100 billion in sales. The next thing I wanted to compare these two giants on is operating profit margin for the trailing 12 months. And I noticed two things here. First, I noticed that both of them are on the downward trend line here, with Amazon's operating profit margin falling by the most, here falling to 2.54% as the company overinvested during the pandemic, and then inflation has really pressured Amazon meaningfully. The cost to deliver those items has gone up, and that's not been good news for Amazon. Walmart also has been hit with inflationary pressure, but at least Walmart generates a significant amount of sales in store, which are more profitable to serve the customer when they come to your store and buy everything. Instead, if you have to ship them items, that's less profitable. Also, Walmart is a little more disciplined in terms of offering free shipping. For instance, Amazon will offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. Walmart will offer free shipping on orders of $35 or more. So just slight differences like that has given Walmart a little bit of an advantage in the recent year and a half, and it's been more profitable than Amazon. Also, one more thing to note, Amazon was earlier in the game in terms of selling advertising, which has been very lucrative for Amazon. It generates a great deal of revenue from advertising. Walmart is just now ramping that up, and it wouldn't surprise me if Walmart quickly caught up with Amazon at maybe not in terms of the level, but in terms of the rate of growth. I would not be surprised if Walmart caught up with Amazon in terms of ad sales online, because Walmart, as you saw earlier, generates nearly over $600 billion in sales, and marketers would love to have the opportunity to influence those high powered consumers to purchase some of their items, right? To try and get them to buy their item instead of the competitor's item. So as Walmart ramps that up, that can be a positive for its operating profit margin. Conversely, Amazon's operating profit margin has been coming down also because its AWS segment, the most profitable segment in the business, has been struggling. Its growth rate has been falling, its operating profit margin has been falling, and so that's pressuring Amazon as well. The next thing I wanted to look at is cash flow from operations to sales over the trailing 12 months, because Amazon and Walmart have a significant amount of non-cash expenses, things like depreciation for Walmart and things like stock-based compensation and depreciation for Amazon. And looking at this metric, Amazon shows a clear advantage. Uh, Over the last decade, Amazon has had a clear advantage, and most recently at 10.35% compared to 5.99% for Walmart. And finally, I wanted to compare these two on valuation, measuring by the forward price to earnings ratio. And given this metric, Amazon stock is more than twice as expensive as Walmart at a forward price to earnings of 52 compared to a forward price to earnings of 22 for Walmart. Now, I will admit Amazon deserves some premium valuation over Walmart because Amazon is growing faster, has more profitable segments like AWS, the cloud services business that's both growing faster and significantly more profitable. And so I would give Amazon justification for a higher premium valuation, but not this much. I think the premium is a little rich, and if I had to choose between one of these two excellent stocks to buy, I would go with Walmart, primarily because of the valuation difference and considering the near-term prospects where fears of a recession, rising inflation are consuming larger portions of consumers' budgets. That was hard to say. And consumers will look to save money more, and that's favorable to Walmart as it generally has lower prices compared to Amazon. All right, I know that might be a controversial pick, and it is close, but I would go with Walmart for the reasons I mentioned earlier as the better stock to buy right now. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.